Let's take a look at adding custom pages to any one of the projects you've created in Sumo Quote. We'll start by going into the details of one of your projects and clicking on the Open for Editing button. On the bottom left side, you'll notice an Add Custom Page button. And you've got a few options in here. The first is to pull in a custom PDF page from your My PDF section. Just select the page you want and a green perimeter will show up around it. You can then grab the PDF and drag and drop it to where you please. Another option in here is to select a PDF from your Shared PDF section. These are PDFs available not only to you, but to your whole team as well. And again, just select the PDF you want to use and place it where you want in the order of the presentation. Thirdly, we've got the single-use PDF section. This allows you to upload a PDF directly from your desktop into this rectangle area here for one-time use. Perhaps it's something specific to a customer or a particular job you're working on. And the last option here is a text page where you can create your own custom text and include that as its own page in your proposal.